Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where architectural brilliance and California coastal luxury unite to create something truly timeless. Today, we invite you to step inside a stunning modern masterpiece located at 1771 Sunset Avenue, Santa Monica, a residence that defines elegance, innovation, and serenity. From the first drone view, as we glide above the palm trees and coastal horizon, the beauty of this $4,994,000 home instantly captures your heart. Every detail speaks of sophistication, from the geometric lines of its modern facade to the subtle textures that merge nature and structure in perfect harmony. As the camera lowers, the grand entrance unfolds with towering glass doors, warm wooden tones, and lush greenery dancing in the sunlight. Walking through the doorway feels like stepping into an art gallery, where architecture becomes emotion. The living space opens wide with floor-to-ceiling glass that fills every corner with golden daylight, reflecting across polished floors and designer furniture. Here, modern minimalism meets comfort and warmth. The seamless connection between the living room, dining area, and kitchen creates an open and airy atmosphere, designed for both relaxation and celebration. At the heart of the home, the gourmet kitchen stands as a piece of art, with its marble island, custom cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances glistening under pendant lights. Natural light pours through large windows, connecting the inside with the calm beauty of the backyard. This is where family, flavor, and conversation come together, where every meal feels special. Just steps away, the elegant dining space glows in soft daylight, surrounded by modern art and the subtle scent of luxury. Every corner is thoughtfully crafted to make life not just beautiful, but effortless. Moving further in, the cozy TV lounge invites you to unwind, a space filled with calm tones, plush sofas, and cinematic lighting that transforms evenings into experiences. The attention to detail continues as we approach the floating staircase, a masterpiece of glass and steel suspended under a tall skylit atrium, where sunlight dances with shadows and live greenery breathes life into the architecture. Every upward step reveals another layer of this home's graceful design philosophy. On the upper level, the bedrooms tell a story of comfort, calm, and connection. The master suite feels like a personal sanctuary, a retreat surrounded by panoramic windows, a cozy gas fireplace, and dual walk-in closets. The soft morning light kisses the elegant textures, while the private balcony opens to the refreshing Santa Monica breeze. The bathroom extends the story of luxury, a spa-inspired space with marble walls, a freestanding soaking tub, rainfall shower, and warm LED lighting. It's a private paradise within your home, built for relaxation, reflection, and rejuvenation. Every guest bedroom offers its own unique charm, each one designed with comfort and style, perfect for friends, family, or guests who appreciate elegance with peace. The blend of modern design, organic textures, and open space gives this home a rhythm that feels alive, yet serene. Downstairs, the lower level opens into a media and entertainment area, a multi-purpose zone for movies, games, and gatherings. There's even a beautifully designed bar area that reflects the spirit of sophistication that defines this home. The garage, finished with polished flooring and LED lighting, holds not just vehicles, but a sense of pride. Every inch of this property whispers luxury, from the smallest design accent to the grandest open space. As the doors open to the backyard, paradise reveals itself. The infinity pool stretches across the sunlit yard, reflecting the blue California sky. Beside it, a jacuzzi bubbles quietly, framed by palm trees in a perfectly designed outdoor barbecue area. It's the kind of place where every sunset feels like a private show, where laughter and peace coexist. The yard is more than an outdoor space. It's a continuation of the home's heartbeat, where relaxation meets celebration under the open sky. As evening falls, the golden hour glow wraps the entire house in magic. The lights from within shine through glass walls, transforming the home into a living sculpture of warmth and elegance. The drone rises once again, capturing the full beauty of this architectural dream against the fading sunset, a perfect harmony of design, emotion, and lifestyle. This is not just a house. It's a statement of modern living, a place where dreams find their shape. With 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 4,900 square feet of artful perfection, this residence is proudly in collaboration with American Dream Mansions. Together, they bring to life the essence of fine living, where every frame tells a story, and every space holds a heartbeat.